Yo, yo, yo. Nice seeing you guys back again. I'm Theodore here with the Prwn app. We are continuously building. Let me show you the page where you can register your email. You will receive as soon as the app will be available for a free trial. Actually, I'm just thinking if it makes sense to have a free trial, but at least for the first month, I think we will have the free trial so you can actually get the app and see how it's going, how it's working for you as well. If you have any suggestion, if everything works as you want. So let's Claude, please do the stream on. Okay, that's perfect. So let's see, guys. We already have some fixes, and as I talked yesterday, we do have the orb, which we can talk with the AI directly on the screen. So hello, how are you?
Cześć, miło Cię słyszeć. U mnie wszystko w porządku. Jak mogę Ci pomóc w Twojej pracy
Hello.
z terminalami?
Can you hear me in Romanian?
Sigur, te aud clar. Putem vorbi în română fără probleme. Spune-mi cu ce te pot ajuta.
Ok, asta e bine.
Mă bucur.
Okay, so let me actually turn the music a little bit down because it's a little bit louder for me, so I can also hear it a little bit better. So let's do it like this. Then I'll do it like this. Then for you guys, I'll turn the music a little bit higher. Okay, so now you can listen to it. Let's do it. Hello, how are you? Hey, how are you?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. How about you? Ready to dive into something?
Yeah, I'm here on the stream. Say hi to my friends.
Hey there, great to meet you. Hope you're all enjoying the stream.
Hi, Mr. Speech. Nice seeing you. Okay, so that's good. It's working, it's outside of the window, so you can literally use it in app or outside of the app if you want to. Basically, you are on this page and you want to see what the terminals are doing. So what the terminals are doing, can you please let me know?
Sure, I'm here to help. Could you tell me what you'd like to know more about? For example, do you want to check the status of your sessions? Or do you want to run a specific task in one of...
Yeah, what the terminals I'm on right now are doing. What is doing?
The terminal you're focused on is currently busy. Here's what it has been working on. It fixed an issue where Claude conversations disappeared from the resource's recent conversations view. The fix involved limiting the number of transcript files read, and it has been shipped to the Prwn dev environment running version 0.76.1. Next steps listed are to verify that Claude sessions are back in the resource's recent conversations, and if confirmed, to promote the fix to stable by running a rebuild script. Once the terminal finishes its current work, we can see if any updates appear.
Okay, please say to it that it's fine now. I'm seeing the Claude conversations on dev, so that's good.
I've sent that update to the terminal. It's working on it now. We'll wait for the response and see what it does next.
Okay, let's see what it does next.
Sounds good. We'll keep an eye on that terminal and wait for its next update. Once it finishes processing, we'll get the latest result.
Perfect. You are the best guy, bro.
Thank you. I'm glad to help. We'll keep things running smoothly and check in once the terminal gives us its next update.
Okay, so we'll put that on mute. So we are waiting for its output and see when this is finished. So we are testing end to end and see what's going on. How are you guys? Nice seeing you here. How are you doing? What are you building? Everyone, let's chat. So once we receive the answer, we can have an answer from the AI, and he will tell us what's going on in the in the terminal. Okay, let's go. Let's see, it's already finished. It seems like we'll receive soon an answer from the AI. Seems like we don't get it. Let's first take a picture of it. It seems like the orb is cut at the margins, and I cannot see the full usage on it. Maybe don't show usage in the orb, floating orb. Just show it in the app when users are actually using the real time. And also please do a deep dive and investigate why the AI real time when I'm in the orb is not coming back with the message after the terminal has finished and generated the transcript, the summary. Let's go. So now, let me see. Can you please verify why on AGI and on Open Code, when I'm receiving a message from the session on Telegram on Open Code, I don't receive any summary and next steps? Let's verify also this. And also let's open Telegram and see the conversations. Let's see what's going on here. Good. Let's try an open code session. Check last 10 commits, please. Guys, don't forget, go on the website, Prwn app, coming soon. Enter your email and we will basically let you know when everything will be on live and you can get the app so you can also test on yourself. Okay, good. So this is done. Let me see the Telegram if I received. Oh yeah, I received a message. The messages I receive, but I don't receive the request and questions. So if it asks me for permissions, I get a message like this. Let me send him a message. I don't get it. Oh, never mind. Screenshot there is gone. macOS cleaned it. I work from your description. Page one search. Doors. Temporary item. Please investigate the issue when I'm dragging a screenshot from the macOS to the tile, to the terminal. It seems like it says something like this. See where it comes from and why is that happening first, and then let's see and brainstorm how we can fix that. Hey Gabriela, nice to see you here. How are you doing? Let's see guys, let's see where are you from and where are you signing up from. I'm really curious right now. We track everything. Let's see. So we do have 148 views on the last 7 days. Let's see this today. We have 11 page views with 11 unique views, and we do have from Romania, UK, Myanmar. What is MR? Myanmar, or what is that? PK, NG, Germany, Turkey, US, France. Let's also make this into the basically real names of the countries. So let's try Open Code, okay? Because we do have a subscription with Open Code, and we can use GLM 5.2 and see how it behaves and how it's working. Can you see the analytics page inside the admin, and also transform the names? From example, row should be Romania, TR should be Turkey, IN should be India, and so on and so forth. But now it's just the country code. Let's see. We'll put that here. The exact phrase isn't in the Prwn code, so it's likely printed by Claude. The CLI in the terminal after receiving a stale file path. Let me go by confirming the browse clipboard drag handler. So the bug is the path versus bytes preference inversion for Prwn. Should work exactly as VS Code is working. So when I'm dropping an image, for example, it should attach as an image to the terminal, not like a file or something like that. So if I'm doing it in iTerm, it seems like it copies it as an image. But if there is a, I don't know, another file, for example, MD file or a PDF, it's passed it as its path. The injection crosses into via. Let me read the RAS side. This is key. The grep display is lossy, but the read. Let me read the display. Okay. Claude feeds a captured user prompt. Its last assistant, the user open code. In AGI have no captured prompt, but they feed only raw fallback. If that's correct, counts back empty or white space summary text turns none, and the frame degrades a couple of things to time this out before any fix. Paste the example message if it's raw relay. That's final confirmation. Which channel Prwn or Prwn dev. It matters for the summary how the open code runners only lives on a daemon at 76. Daemon is still on the 74 base, so on dev. An open code tile may produce no sorry at all, while the stable should want me to scope what. First of all, please make the daemon on dev the latest version, and make sure you don't break this at all anytime. So on stable and also on dev, the daemon should be always at the latest version when we build basically the app. So if we build dev, you should also build the latest version of daemon. Now let's send him a thing. What we are trying to do is to also get the questions that we receive from Open Code into Telegram as well. So we literally use Telegram for everything, including Open Code and AGI. Right now it works with Codex and also with the Claude. But for you guys, I'm doing this. So it's working very good, and you don't need to leave Telegram to answer the questions. This is the message. This is the mess. Oh, it didn't. Why GLM 5.2 is so slow? Do you guys have this problem as well or not? I don't see any analytics page or country codes anywhere in the Prwn app repo. Which project has the admin analytics? What the shit? Why is it not working? In what folder are you spawned right now? This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like why it's wrong? That's weird, guys. Okay, this is a bug, guys. This is a bug. We just found a bug. Let's open a new open code. Please find why I'm going into a workspace in the left side of the app, but when I'm opening an open code terminal, it basically spawns in the Prwn terminal, not in the Prwn web, for example. Where is my message? What's going on? When I'm opening a new terminal of OpenCode into another workspace, for example, Prwn -web, it's basically spawning in the Prwn workspace. Let's try it here. Where are you now, and in what folder are you in right now? Oh, it already says here. So it's in Project Prwn. Seems like it's weird. Let's test and see. How do you want to proceed on the floating orb announce fix build announce bridge now? I implement the main panel announce rely. Rebuild Prwn dev and bundle the part 1 usage fix in the same dev build. First, confirm presentation mode. You keep presentation mode off and retest the in-app. Confirm finding A. Let me see. Is this presentation mode on? Wait, real time voice. Oh yeah, it's on. Okay. So now let's try the orb again and let's talk with the AI. Hi, how are you? Can you please launch a terminal and see the last 10 commits in the Prwn workspace?
I've launched a new terminal in the Prwn workspace, and it's now fetching the last 10 commits with messages and authors. We'll know the details once it finishes.
Let's see if it really works once it finishes. It doesn't. Seems like it's not saying anything. Okay, so you can delete presentation mode. No one will need that. Everyone, if wants to hear the updates, it will keep the orb opened, and they will be able to receive the messages. But I deactivated the presentation mode, and it still doesn't send me anything when I'm in the floating orb. Why this is stale? Let's look. Okay. What's your business plan with the app? Well, this is a very good question because I haven't think into the business plan. I really wanted to basically create something for also for the stream and show you what will be the path. I'm having the path in my mind because I don't like to make plans and actually overthink things, but it's too early to decide on what market we will go with, what we will do. We'll try from multiple sources. For example, from YouTube we already have 25 people that are very interested to try it and see. Then we have I also have a lot of friends which are using Claude, and they are liking my idea, so they will also try and see how everything goes. And then we will also do the Google ads and see the costs and everything. I was looking into the cold email outreach, but unfortunately it's so expensive and the signups are very low. So we also have the top call sales platform, which connects with with LinkedIn and also email. We can launch some campaigns on LinkedIn and contact multiple developers which are using they are using Claude as well, and they are AI savvy. And we also started to do the shorts. I don't know, guys, if you started and saw the shorts I've made. I already created a lot of shorts with Claude, and this one is for 435. That's good. But this is everything created by Claude. It takes my streams, understands them, decides what will be a very good fit for YouTube. Let's actually take the yesterday video and do the videos as well. Let's see what day was yesterday. I think 13 or 14. No, it's let me see. I don't remember. So it was 13, right? Yeah. So can you take the days 12 and days 13 and create shorts for them and then open the review platform for me, so I can review, approve, and then publish the shorts. Also, please check the YouTube credits we have left today, so I must know how many videos I can still post through YouTube API. Let's go. Let's see what's going on. The server UID because Prwn launched open code server spawn. The deer flag passes open attached build this. Only says the COD for the attach to confirm it. The attached client COD is correct, but the bash tool I'm running in reports. Want me to investigate number 1. Pass COD session directory to post session if open code API gained a per session directory. Conductor. Yeah, I saw, but I saw that conductor is something like Hermes agents. It connects to the terminals, or not the terminals, but to the SDKs. So they are using the Claude-P, which I think in the future will be paid via API, like any other APIs. But what we are doing, we're creating terminals which you will be connecting to. So you don't have to pay for API costs. You'll just use your Claude Codex, anti-gravity, open code subscriptions with OAuth, and you will be able to manage them like a normal terminal for Claude Code. So I don't see a reason Claude will add costs for using a terminal, just using it programmatic way. So for example, if we will do agents in the future and those agents will be different, maybe yeah, they will do charge per that, but I think this will be a very nice way to organize the terminals and have everything. You can tell me, you can tell me, bro, if I'm mistaken and if I'm not really informed on the conductor. But from what I saw, this is what they are doing. There is also Bridge Mind, which I really said that I like the project, and really it's something really nice, which they are doing a really great job. Right now, I was seeing that Conductor uses your Claude Pro or Max plan, and we'll use that. So that's interesting. But the UIX, it's similar with Hermes agents and also with Claude, with Cursor, I think. How many are you in your team? I'm just me, bro. Yeah, I was looking into it, and they were saying that you can use your cloud subscription. But yeah, I think everyone can decide what fits for them. For example, for me, I haven't found a way or an app that does everything, like Telegram as well, then the browser inside, the voice inside without using any whisper or something different. The resources here, you can also resume all the conversations you had before. The source control, so you see exactly what's happening in the Git tree. Then of course you can have multiple screens in here, so if there are a lot of terminals here, you can move them and organize better, but also control your all terminals with the AI assistant. So you can do real time here or do text, so you talk with your terminals and also monitor the terminals real time, and text will do everything. Okay, so let's close this one. Let's see what open code says. Open code to runtime bash file edits runs inside the single resident open code serve, not inside open code attached. Prwn keeps one shared open code serve for the whole app, started once by every terminal you open is just an open code attach. Prwn pass directly to post session if open code API gained the first session period. It didn't have one. This was written. Spawn a separator server space instead of one shared server. Heavier breaks the shared session model. Prwn choose. Admin only set open spawn CUID to something neutral home, so it doesn't look up. We literally need to set the workspace before we are sending the spawn to the open code. So when you are doing the spawn of the terminal and I'm commenting about it, you should get the path of the workspace I'm on, like you are doing for Claude, and open code in that folder. To build my app, I use more of Codex and Claude. Do you think GLM 5.2 is worth it? I don't think so, because I really tested it a little bit with the Open Code Go plan, and it didn't respect my rules. It didn't create the tests, and it's not that viable as Claude or Codex is. And the code, it's a little bit different, and I think you mixing the code from OpenCode with Claude, it might be a little bit of a mistake, because Claude will start not to understand what OpenCode did, for example. So it also doesn't respect what was being done before, but I think we can fix that. I'm just having GLM 5.2 in tests for the last 2 days. So yeah, I literally don't recommend you switching. And from my tests, it's not that good, as other people are saying that it's like Fable, but it's not Fable at all. Let me see. I'm really curious. What is my usage? So I'm having a new weekly usage of 18% with a 9% monthly usage right now. So I've used it for 4 or 5 tasks until now. Thank you so much, bro. Yeah, currently I'm waiting for the Apple to give me the developer signing key, because I'm not yeah, I didn't receive anything, but I'm not yet an Apple developer, so I'm not registered to their program. I did that on Friday last week. Till now, nothing. And I heard that it takes a lot until you get it. But they are saying 48 business hours. So I don't know why it's taking that much. But yeah, we'll wait. We'll wait. Why is this not working? Thank you so much, though. Maybe you can also join our Discord, and when I'm launching it in beta, you'll also get it and try it and suggest maybe other things, because I would like to build on the community requests and show you guys what's my path. You have to contact them. I had it in 3 days because I had to remind them. Oh my god. Okay. Shit. Okay, I will do that. Thank you so much for letting me know. I'll get them a follow-up message. So they say 2 business days. It was on 20 of June. So yeah, I think they are so slow. Yeah, I will contact them. And everything is built. We also have the authentication. We also have everything done. We have the Stripe connected with all the data, and you can see everything here. We have 2 people in trialing right now. One is me, one is one of my friends, and we are testing it. We are looking into it, what's going on. Then we also have the accounts here, so we are seeing what's happening, what's going on. And literally we also have the account where you can download the app. You can basically use the app. You can see all the invoices and everything. You can see the settings and do everything. You also connect the app with your account. So when you log in into the app, you'll have an auth screen. You confirm the number. We do have everything. We are just waiting for the Apple developer. Everything is working good now. I think here in the MCP servers, this is only for Claude for now. This will need to be changed, and also this one is for Claude as well. So yeah. Let's see what's going on in the other screen. So fixed and live on Prwn dev. Your Claude conversation are back into the resources confirmed by you. Yeah, that's good. We'll stop that now because we don't need it anymore. Let's see what's going on here with the orb. So what I did, you can have the orb on the screen, so you can talk every time we need. And if you need any info about the terminals, you can also do that. So that's being the way right now. Perfect. So don't forget, guys, you can go on the Prwn.app website. You will be redirected to the coming soon page. So what I will show you right now is the Prwn video created totally by Claude using the Prwn app. So you'll see exactly what's going on and how I was creating that. Let's have a look into it. This is totally and completely made by Prwn. I'll show you right now. So it's Prwn video. Let me show you where it's the assets. No, this is another one out. This is okay. So be prepared, guys. I'll show you right something so nice. Okay, are you ready? This is made totally by Claude, okay? Let me close this and let me show you.
Okay, I'm ready. Go ahead and show me what you'd like to share, and we can discuss it together.
No, thank you so much. I don't need you.
No problem at all.
Okay, guys.
If you need any help later, just let me know.
Why?
Sure, I'm here to help. Could you let me know what you're wondering about or what you'd like to explore?
What's going on, guys? Wait.
Take your time. I'm here whenever you're ready.
Okay, so let's start.
Great. Let's get started. What would you like to focus on first?
Guys, this is built fully by Claude, okay? I haven't touched anything.
Understood. It's all handled by the system. If there's anything you'd like to adjust
Yeah, bro.
or any direction you want to take,
Shut up.
just say the word and we can guide it together.
No, I want you to shut up. How do I shut up?
No worries. I'll keep quiet now. If you need anything later, just let me know.
Where is it?
If you're referring to a specific terminal or session, I can help locate it. For example, if you want to know what's currently...
Okay, perfect. So this is a bug. This is bug. So we are catching the bugs live. We are fixing them live. No, yeah, I have a folder with the screenshots from the app, but for example, for the launch sessions at the bottom here in the left, I also had a screenshot. Then for the other parts, I also had a screenshot, but yeah, it's like, oh my god, what's going on? My CPU is already at 100% because it's building something here, so it again did something. I don't know why. Let's see on this one. I don't understand why it's going to 100%, because it's literally building the app again. Yeah, so I had some screenshots in a folder, but that's it. I also had some informations about the product, also the landing page. So the landing page was also fully built by him. This is how it looks by now. Oh, it's basically going, let me show the free trial. So this is the landing page, for example. So it also have this, which were in the video as well. This is also built by Claude. And we also have the pages, how it works. But because I'm also connected and logged in, I cannot show it to you. We also have the changelog page, which is not really updated right now, but that looks pretty nice. Great product. I'm solo dev too. Please share your Discord for the app link, and also we can collaborate. Yeah, you can literally go to this this link. I'll put it in the chat right now, and after adding your email, you'll also get the Discord. So you guys, I'm waiting for you in the Discord, so we can share things. I can show you things, and you can ask anything you want. I will try to answer to everybody. Okay, so the tiles were coming back, but again we have a problem with the clear. I don't know why. This is so fucked. I'm having a problem with the Prwn app. When I'm closing the whole app and keeping the terminals running, it writes clear in the terminals when I'm coming back and opening back again the app. Please find where is the issue. This is so fucked, guys. Why is this happening? I don't understand. It literally cleaned all my history. How many clips per video should I generate per day? 3 each. Okay, let's do the. Okay. Can you please go into the analytics from the admin page and modify the country codes to real country names instead? Okay, that's good. So let's see, because right now we got this session cleared, so that's bad. Let's actually Claude resume and see if the history is here or not. No, the history is. Yo, limited. I was wondering, where are you, bro? I'm having a problem. So open code, it doesn't send the ask permission and questions to the Telegram. Can you please look into it and see if we do have any way to send those to the Telegram at all? Mi-aduce și mie pare de te rog, de suc? Ăla. Let's see where is the. Can you please look into the open code and see why I don't receive the request permission and questions into the Telegram? Please see what's going on, and let's see if we find a way to actually fix that and also have the open code complete and receiving the questions and ask permissions from it. Okay, so we do have the clipper. It's actually, we do have 2 more uploads left today, but we will go and upload tomorrow, no problem. Region names, okay, that's perfect. And then let's see what's going on here. Fix orb, fix from cleaning the terminals on restart. Okay, let's go. Let's see if it cleared also those conversations, but I think so. It didn't. Oh yeah, it cleared a lot of conversations. Again, guys, again. Why? Why do you do that to me? Is the ADE that we are building. It's Prwn. We are building the Prwn right now. I'm on day 14. We do have so nice features, and we are not opened right now, but if you go on the website here, you can add your email and we will email everyone when the app launches. And I will share with you the features. I'm receiving the same question every day, guys. So this is annoying, but if you stay with me on the stream, you'll see exactly what is different and what we built different. Okay, so it's a whole complete different ecosystem. It's not the same. We are also using the Telegram, so we basically control all the terminals from the Telegram itself. Okay, so it's something that I really needed for a long time because I want to sit on the couch, see what's going on, what are the updates, what's everything. And for example, I don't want to read the whole AI slop from Claude. I just want to read what's going on and what did in the last turn. So I've built also the cards, so you can see the cards and reply directly from the cards. This is different thing I built for me. So if you want, I can also share with you guys, but it will take a little bit more of the time. For example, right now I received a message on Telegram that I need to answer to a question. How do you want to handle the Prwn dev rebuild? Given another set as an uncommitted demon whip, wait for a clean tree, rebuild now anyway. Let's rebuild it now anyway. Wait. Be careful, scrapping the CLI is against the legal compliance section of the Claude docs. We are not doing the scraping. We basically have some hooks which we install and use the hooks inside the terminal. So this is how we are doing. Open code and question events only handles session idle and drops everything else. Fixed and never build. The fix needs detect permission questions in handle event and forward them to the Telegram with buttons plus a new callback in handle. The user received back to open code HTTP server. Inbound Claude started a search agent to pull the exact. Okay. Since the existing test comments is a best shape, wait for search results on open code. Claude will implement the fix once they arrive. Okay, that's perfect. Let's see here. Fix is rebuilding. Oh, Prwn resizes the demon PTI and declares sessions and it clears the screen. And this happens because experiment is recreated with fresh geometry. Now pre-open researching the pre-post. Have them report session sizes and attach sizing, even the fixed with reference and review the Let's go and make sure it doesn't write here anymore. Okay, let's see on the clipper. Agents are working. Let's go. Perfect. So how should I proceed with on open code face to see Telegram permission plan first, and we'll do that as well. So guys, let me show you the video for the Prwn. Bro, this is the totally fully built by Claude, okay? Yeah. So I literally didn't made anything. I just found the music behind it, but it created the SFX, it created the effects, everything. Open code models doesn't follow instructions strictly. Maybe the tree memory system is small or not have any. Yeah. Yeah, I can ask if you want. I have a viewer on YouTube and he is asking me how we did build the Prwn video. Please help me with a short brief on how he can create the same concept of the video and what technologies we are using building the Prwn video. Please make sure you don't specify confidential info, but just tell them a brief message on how exactly to do that. No, Prwn is not free. It will be under a subscription, but we'll have a 14 days free trial, so you guys can test, see what's going on, if we have any bugs, and then after 1 month or 2 months, I think we'll be only paid. I haven't announced yet the prices, but I think the highest plan, the Mad Max, which will also have the AI orchestrator, so literally you can talk with the AI and open a new terminal, checking the last 2 commits, please. You'll have the real time also integrated into the last in the last plan, and that will be I think $60 with $50 if monthly, if early. So, bro, I'll literally paste it in the chat so you can be inspired by it. I don't know if I can paste it, but you can take a screenshot and get the text from it. much you say it costs you to build all of this? Because I'm new to vibe coding. Are you referring to the app or what? Or you are referring to the video? Yes, please go ahead, push, commit, and please deploy. The Prwn app, oh my god, what's that? Please commit, push, and deploy on Versal. The Prwn app, I think my time, which is really valuable, and also I have 2 Claude Code subscriptions. I'm also having Codex monthly subscription for $100 and Open Code subscription, but I haven't used Codex and Claude Code and Open Code too much. So I cannot tell you because I'm using also for other projects the Claude Code, so it's not something I can track. Yeah, I used it for I think 5 or 6 tasks before. And I also have Cursor, but I didn't use it in last 3 months. So I just canceled my subscription. What is this? We'll close this. Moving to the fix with TDD. Yeah. No, I already canceled the Cursor. I used Fable 5 for the whole 4 days and it was amazing. It was not really surprising me, but it was very good, yeah. If I'm thinking back and how the Claude Code works and Opus 4.8 works now, it was much better. Say something like open terminal, check the last 2 git, and tell me when are you done. Let's do that. Please open a terminal, check the last 2 commits, and then tell me what's in there.
Sure, let's get that started. Which workspace do you want to use for this new terminal?
Prwn workspace.
I've opened a new terminal in the Prwn workspace, and it's working on retrieving the last 2 commits. We'll get the details shortly.
Let's see, guys. If this time works, it will be so nice. But right now, we need to test it and see if the agent can really do that while we are outside of the window. And I will look into the problem. What it did, guys, it deleted all my history, bro. So this is so weird. Now I need to go back. Yeah, I hope we'll have the answer from the globe once it's finished, but I'm not really sure. It finished already. Just now. It doesn't send us the finalized summary. Okay, no problem. We'll do it. Yeah, I did so, but unfortunately, it didn't talk to me back when it finished. It was just stale and not talking at all after the terminal was finished. Please find where is the problem, because in the app the real time was working before, so this is not an issue. I think it's an issue with the floating verb. Also, guys, on YouTube, if you see, there are some shorts. They are made completely with Claude. I just accept and review them, and then Claude is posting them on YouTube, so you can literally see how well. I really found some issues in GitHub. I really found some issues in GitHub that people are complaining about. This text doesn't reflow and resize narrower too wide. To emit. See, guys, and what we have, you know. Then the next subject is basically the. Let me also close this one, close this one, close this one, and activate this. And also does the subtitles and everything. So yeah, that's nice. I'll share a link for everyone which wants to sign up for the news on the Prwn app. Guys, just subscribe, and then you'll also receive the Discord link, so you can also be there in the Discord channel when we will launch it. Plan safe, pluggable CLI providers. Streaming is on the point of credential. Let me. Searching for higher ground, can't see in front of me. My enemies have tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly. The clear command on the terminals is so weird, guys. It deleted my work 3 times until now. Oh my god. It's so fucked. So unfortunately, I have to basically guess what was in the terminals, and if I had some terminals with Claude opened, I need to basically get them back again, but I don't know if I have any chat history or something. Let's ask Claude actually. So if I wrote /clear on a Claude Code session, can I see the history of that session and what was happening in that session, or it's completely lost forever? Okay, but I wrote clear, and now when I'm doing resume or continue, it seems like I only see the clear command, so I'm not seeing the history and what I've talked with the Claude Code. What are you building, guys? I'm really curious. Let's see some projects. Let's see. I'm really curious on what are you building. Can I ask how are like 3 agents working together? Do they talk to each other, or and one day break anything, or are they not working in the same file? Yes, they are working in the same files, but usually they are using work trees. Okay, so in my Claude Code, I have instructed them on how to use work trees. When they are starting a new feature, they will need to create their own org tree in a temp folder, and they will literally work in that work tree. Okay, so working in the work trees, when once it's finished, they will need to go into the main and merge the main, and then they will find there are some conflicts between the files they modify and the other agents modify, and then they will basically need to resolve the conflicts and merge cleanly into the main. This is basically the work they are doing. The geo table at now renders United States, Romania, blah blah blah. Let's see if it does that. So we are also verifying what they are doing. Let's see, today, woohoo, we have 63 page views with 38 unique visitors. Nice, bro. Let's go, let's go. I'm really proud, guys. I'm really proud of you. So we have the countries by their name right now. So Israel, Romania, United States, Australia, Germany, United Kingdom, Poland, Turkey, Vietnam, Ukraine, Mauritania, Pakistan. Nice to see you guys here. And the guy from Israel, I think he's spamming. I'm for sure, very sure that that guy from Israel is spamming the project. He wants to do some spam there. Can I use it now? Where is the visitor? No, the visitors are on the coming soon page. This one. So let's see what's finished in there. Fixed word display, and let's see the word display. Can you spawn a new terminal and check the last 2 commits into the Prwn project and then report back to me? I'm from Romania.
I'm going to need a specific workspace name for that. Could you tell me which workspace the
It's
Prwn
the
project is
Prwn.
in? That way I can open the new terminal there and check the last 2 commits for you. Trebuie să știu exact numele spațiului de lucru unde se află proiectul Prwn. Poți să-mi spui cum se numește workspace-ul? De exemplu, un nume specific?
Prwn. Okay, it opened the terminal. Let's see if it reports back to us. If not, I'll kill him. Yeah, it's not reporting back to us. Yeah, exactly. I'm using my project to build my project and all other projects. You see, I'm having a lot there. Open code auto approves tool calls by default. So it means no permission problem. How should a Prwn handle for the face to? Only that. What's going on here? It seems like the verb is it's still not replying back to me. I used Quen 3.7 max, and it was for every task the input was 50k and the output was 200. Is there a fix like a skill? Sincerely, I didn't use Quen 3.7 max. And what you are trying to build with Quen? So a stage versus bomb. So it only takes effect after the death of demon. If that week is yours, fine to build over. Say so and run the build at that now. And it's upstream. Let me. Okay, perfect. So right now we are having everything set. Guys, don't forget we are building the Prwn app. So this app I'm building on right now, I started building it 14 days ago. I built everything with you together here on the stream and a little bit out of the stream, so you literally were with me when I built everything. So this is exactly what I'm doing. You'll see all my paths, well, all my paths and everything I'm doing to build the app. You can go on the coming soon page, enter your email, you'll receive the Discord. You can join the Discord here, and we can keep in touch in there. I will have some updates for you, some news for you, and I'm really enjoying talking with you guys. Right now we are doing the orb, so it literally talk back to us when a session finish. So literally you can see everything and talk with the AI and get updates from the real time. Hey, can you open a new terminal now and check if the stream mode is on or not? No, I'm not closing it. Wait, just a moment. It seems like it's a still screen. Okay. Perfect. So yeah, I'm using GLM 5.2, but it's not surprising me at all. I don't know why. Let's see what it retrieved to me. Spawn in the Prwn Express open code. Let's see if it really solved that problem or not. So let's go in this one and spawn a new open code, and let's see what is the path the open code is opened in. Joel and main. What folder are you in? I think it's good now. Perfect. Okay, so it seems like GLM 5.2 nailed it. And how much it took? 34 minutes. 34 minutes to solve a terminal problem which was not basically opening. So what happened when I was opening a new open code here? It was going still into the first workspace in here. Yo, Avaria, I'm doing good. I'm doing good here on the stream. I'm really proud seeing you here, bro, again. I think I will stay on the stream 7 minutes more until 10 p.m. my time. So you see here in the right, upper right. It's been a long day. It's been a lot of things today, but I'm really glad I could enter the stream and join the live. Not right now in 7 minutes, guys. In 7 minutes, I will be landing the plane. And let's see the clipper. Let's see the clipper. Day 12 delified. Open this the reviewer for me and in browser. Okay, so let's see what Claude was doing with the video, with the live from day 12 and also from the day 13. On the other side, in the left part, it seems like open code with GLM 5.2 didn't answer at all. And it doesn't answer to me. I don't know why. Do you have a MacBook or a Mac? I'm having a Mac Mini, but also my MacBook Pro. This is the day 12. Let's look at this. Roast me if you don't like what I built. Okay. What we are building, guys, today is the Prwn app. Okay. So for most of you don't know, I've built this Prwn app. Communicates instantly with the Telegram. You can run and launch multiple terminals using using Telegram. You can approve actions. You can also open and see the summary, see the next steps, see everything. Yeah, that's good. I'll pause that. This is not good at all. You can also use and see what GPT 5.5 can do it. can do. So this is on the setting. Bro, I don't remember. It's M4 with 24 gigabytes RAM. Part right now, we are trying to finish the analytics part. So we track everything. We track. Let's approve this as well.
Here's what's going on in that. The assistant updated the channel funnel to include free trial and subscribe stages by joining billing tables like subscriptions and customers at query. The funnel is complete and merged to the local. The commit is identified as CBCE 88. The next step is that the push will be the production deploy, which is operator gate. Also,
this one is fire, bro. This one is fire. So I will approve that, and I'll post it right now, so you can also watch it. Okay, so let's reject this. Let's generate the captions for this one, and then you can go on the channel and like a little bit the short. What are you working on? I'm working on the Prwn. This is the development environment for your AI coding agents, and it's looking something like this. I'll show you right now. This is the Prwn app. We are having the terminals here. We also received the Telegram summaries and everything from it. This doesn't appear to be a closed session message. It's a social media post, promotional content for a Telegram terminal launcher. If like okay. Reviewer open. Day 12 has 3 clips ready to review now. Day 13 is still processing. Build is still compiling. Okay, that's perfect. No, I'm thinking that you're made with Claude. Now I'm thinking that you're made. Oh, okay. Everything is made with Claude. Okay, I'm really liking the Claude. Let's publish this one, so it goes on YouTube. Then let's also select this, generate the captions, and ooh, let's go directly on the YouTube. Okay, let's generate the are you currently over on Claude usage? How much do you spend on tokens? Yes, I'm on the Claude Max plan, the $200 plan. I'm having 2 subscriptions, and I'm switching between each other. But I think today the usage is resetting on, I don't remember so well. Yeah, in 13 hours my usage will be reset for just one account, and for the other on Sunday, I think. Okay, so we publish the videos. Let's go and see them on YouTube as well. If you don't like what I built, okay? What we are... Roast me if you don't like what I built, okay? What we are building, guys, today is the Prwn app, okay? So, yes, sure. I can show you the bar at the top. This is the 41% resets in 1 hour and 70% resets in 13 hours. So this is the bar at the top. Promote the web watching is increased. What are you referring, bro? Let's see this one. Yeah, it's not working. So open code was blocked. I don't know why. Let's actually resume that from the resources. Mersi mult, Cozac, mersi mult. Yeah, I know. It's because it's building the app in the background, and unfortunately I have to stream from my MacBook Pro because Mac Mini is having a little bit of difficulties, but I'll do it from the next stream. So it doesn't break my build and everything, because I'm building locally, so I can just test the modification and show to the people, and that's a little bit of bottleneck for the acum am încercat să fac aceleași. Da, știu. Nice, bro. Nice seeing you here. Current folder check. Let's see if we find the open code one. I think this one. I remember you, bro. Okay. This one is finished, so I'll stop it. The video, I think you can learn something from this. And then for the clipper, day 13 is at stage 3 from 7, then transcribe. Okay, let's see. This one is posted. Let's see this one.
Here's what's going on in that. The assistant updated the channel funnel to include free trial and
Perfect.
subscribe stages
Now
by
it's
joining
working.
billing tables like subscription.
Okay, so we'll wait for the day 13 and then I will post that tomorrow as well, because now I don't have quota left on the YouTube API, but we will have it. We'll have them tomorrow. What was your first project and how did you get any profit from it? I think my first project was on dropshipping, I think 12 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and I was selling stores, e-commerce stores to the people. I was building the dropshipping stores for them, and you can find me on Fiverr as well. You can see the ratings and everything. I think I have over 120 reviews, all 5 stars, and this is how I started. But then I created my e-commerce. I also did Amazon, and I am 29 right now. Are you 15, bro? Main doesn't compile, land in the X open code directory. It's matching the server half stranded uncommitted in the shared. Okay, let's do that one. The build is still running. I'll wait for it to finish and relaunch. Can you please check it now? Can you please check it now? Why are you not hearing me? Why Spanish, bro? How do you want to proceed? If that whip is yours, otherwise tell me when the tree is clear and I will on the dev rebuild the changelog entries. Please put everything on main. We will rebuild from another session. Can you explain your workflow? Yeah, my workflow is pretty basic, but it's already built in Claude. So I told him what I'm expecting to do, what skills to use. For example, I'm using brainstorming from Superpowers. It's a real saver. Superpowers skills. You can use these superpower skills. It's pretty easy to use. You do have the so you do have the brainstorming part where you brainstorm with Claude. It will ask you questions, you'll answer to it, then he will go and will use word trees to then creating a spec file and then the plan. So basically you'll have a plan, but not the Claude plan, which is pretty basic. It will create a state document. Okay, so it will be a very huge document with the plan, and then you need to review the plan with 3 sub agents. Okay, so just review the plan again, see if there is something that doesn't match with your code, because sometimes Claude is really writing things that he imagines they are there, but they are not there. And then you'll use the sub-agent driven development. Okay, and also the TDD, which is test driven development. At the end, he will need to verify the code he wrote. He will need to verify if everything works correctly. But once we are in a macOS app, I didn't find a way that he can go and test by himself other than creating the logs. And if I'm clicking a button, if I'm using the voice app, he will receive the logs and read the logs once I'm basically doing something in the app. This is my whole workflow. I'm also having a sprints workflow with different sub-agents that are building the whole sprint with epochs, with stories and everything, and then it passes through some reviews, some quality checks, some quality assurance, and that's a little bit different workflow for the really hard things. But when I'm on stream, I want you guys see what's going on, and I test with you if it did correctly or not. Let's check. My working base now compiles. We'll see if everything works, but I think I'll review with you the last videos created by the Clipper. I think there are 2 incoming right now, and then I will land the plane here. So we'll see together each other tomorrow at the same hour, which is 7:30 CET. Did you ever hit a Claude max plan limit? Yeah, every week. Last week I didn't, because Claude reset for the reset 2 times the limit, so I haven't had any problems. Yeah, bro, I will check after the stream, okay, and reply to you. Thank you so much, bro, for understanding me. And guys, don't forget, go on the Prwn.app coming soon, and then you'll receive the Discord link and also a special message from me. Let's see if it builds the video or not. Seems like not. I'm doing it from passion, guys, okay? Thank you as well, Limited, because you helped with the Discord. Okay, so let's see those videos. Let's decide together if we keep them off or not, and we'll post them tomorrow, because today we don't have any quota left. Bro, just go here, enter your email, and then you'll get the Discord. So I shared the link. And you also have an email with the link of the Discord. Okay, so now I didn't write any code. I just spoke with the AI real time. We will also have in the Telegram the real time one. So that will be so nice for us. Okay, because we will be able to talk directly into the terminal, into the Telegram with the AI assistant, and he can open terminals, investigate terminals, see what they've done, report back to us, and so on and so forth. So this will be a really great add-on to the app. Okay, yeah, so now I did what I was referring to. We will add the AI assistant here in the Telegram. Okay, so the thing is that now you can talk with the to the AI through this warp here, but you cannot talk with him from the Telegram. So this will be a really great add-on. What do you think, ChatGPT?
Звучит интересно. Возможность общаться прямо с терминала.
I don't know. He's speaking Russian today. We don't know. We don't want that. Let's approve this one. You can also see here what are the improvements. What I also added. You can drag files from here, from the left, from the right side to the terminal, and it adds it to the terminal as well. So if you are having a file from here, you can drag it and drop it in the terminal. Really fast and really intuitive, you know. So yeah, what I'm building the Prwn app. Okay, so this is the app I'm building. You are seeing here, it's similar to the bright. Perfect. So it looks nice, right? Should we approve it and then post tomorrow or not? What do you think? Okay, let's approve it. We'll post it tomorrow. And then, yeah, perfect. Okay, thank you so much for being tonight here, guys. I really appreciate you. Seeing you in the Discord channel. See you on the email list. And then see you tomorrow at 7:30 CET, okay? Have a good night and see you tomorrow. Peace!